Welcome to online class. Today our topic is email link. This is the last topic from HTML chapter. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell you something about your pre-midterm exam. Children, you have to study two chapters, first and second, which already we had taught. Children, you have to study whole chapter from your book. After the chapter, there is an MCQ, fill-ups, question answers are there. You will prepare MCQs from your chapter. So prepare your chapter nicely. Note down important points. Before pre-midterm exam, I will give you some practice test. After completing this chapter, one day I will put some test questions so that you will get more practice that how questions will come in your pre-midterm exam. And if any doubt regarding that chapter 1 and 2, you can ask, you can send me a mail. I will clear your doubt. Now our topic is, let us see this email link. After completing this chapter, I will send you notes from this chapter also. This is a very important chapter. HTML is very important chapter. Lots of questions comes from HTML chapter only. So study this chapter very nicely. Okay, now email link. What is email link? You can create an email link on your page. The browser will read an email link using the value starting with mail to rather than http:// with your email address rather than a web address. So how you will write? You will write an open tag ahref. Now you know what is ahref. A is an anchor tag and href is hypertext reference. Equals to, inside inverted code you will enter some address like mail to : your username @email account name.com, close tag. Then after that email the username and close anchor tag with /. Now here example is given. For example, you want to create an email link to yourself, then the code would be opening tag ahref is equals to, inside inverted code you write the mail address and close tag, then email to myself and then close anchor tag. When the user would click on the link email to myself, the mail of Gmail will get opened with the address myself@gmail.com after the field 2. See, here address is already given and I am giving a link with email to myself. When I will click in this link, my mail address Gmail will open and my mail address automatically goes to the field where we will write address. Like if you don't know how to send mail, everyone knows, I think, to post a letter to your friend or to family member or some important document. In place of to, we are writing address. This we know. So the same thing in email also, because we are sending something to some another email address, in the place of to we will write an address. The same concept how we are writing in a letter, through email also we are sending some letters. In place of to we will write the another person email address. Or if you want to send mail to self only, then you will write your address only. So here myself means I am sending mail to myself only. Then I will write in the place of address I will write my own email ID. So by this way that email address goes to the place 2, where 2 is written in Gmail. That place, that address will go. Now next, here you can see the output. Here email to myself. Now links created. When I will click in this side, see one box is given there, your Gmail, you will log in. Now image as a link. When you will give any image and you want to link that image with any address or any web page, then how you will write? Opening tag ahref equals to, inside inverted code, address of the field to be opened when you click on the image, close tag. Then for image tag, we know that img src is a source, so we will write the image address. You will use this tag and you will write opening tag img src equals to inside inverted code address of the image file. Alt equals to inside inverted code text to be displayed when image is not loaded. Close, then close a tag. The attribute src in image tag takes the value of the address to the image, whereas href attribute task takes the value of the address of the HTML document that will be loaded when you click on the image. Here example is given. You want to open the Facebook website when somebody clicks on the image. That is called party.image. Then the code will be, this code you will write opening tag a href equals to https://www.facebook.com/close, then image src, and you will give the image name .jpg, close tag and close a tag. Colors of the link. You can set the color of the text that act as a link using body tag. So how you will write color? You will insert in your text. So body link hashtag hexadecimal code of the color or the name of the hexadecimal code means when you will give a color code. Here you can see hexadecimal means you will write hashtag hash and after that 0000 capital 2 times F, that is blue color code. Means we can give a color code also, or directly you can write the color name. So when you will give color code means at front you have to give hash, after that you will write color code name if you know. Otherwise you can directly write color name blue, green, red, black, whatever you want. Systems takes both. So link in place of hexadecimal code of the color or name of the color. V-link means vertical link, hexadecimal code of the color or name of the color. A-link you can give same thing. A-link is also you can like active link. In the above code, the link attribute in the body tag is a standard link. It is a text link that has not been clicked by the user, yet it appears in the standard code. That is blue, whose hexadecimal code is, here blue color hexadecimal code is given, that 0000FF, that is a blue hexadecimal code. V-link, visited link, attribute in the body tag is a visited link. It is a text link that has been clicked by user at least once. The standard color of the link is purple, whose hexadecimal code is given, that 80080. That is a purple color hexadecimal code. A link attribute in a body tag is an active link. It is a text link that may change its color when the user brings the mouse over it. The standard code of link is red, whose hexadecimal code is FF450. Link, standard link to a page the visitor has not been to yet. Here standard code of blue color is hash 4 times 0 FF. V-link is visited link to the page the visitor has been to before. Standard color is purple. And A-link is active link, the color of the link when the mouse is on it. Here example, if you want to set the color of the link to red, A-link to green and V-link to pink as against the standard color using the following code. Body, opening tag body, link equals to red, A-link is equals to green and V-link equals to pink. This line where you see you got the assignment question once. If you remember, assignment question, first question is that A-link and V-link. If students, if you not able to write that question code, see here that V-link and A-link, that is related to this question only. So you can easily now write the code. If any doubt, you can send me a mail. I will clear that doubt also. But V-link and A-link you will set in a body so that your text can become that color. For example, if you want to use a hexadecimal number of the above colors, so here color code, if you in place of color name, if you want to give a hexadecimal code, then this process is same. You write opening body tag link, in place of red you will write hexadecimal code. A link equals to hexadecimal code, V link is equals to hexadecimal, both will work. So this is the output of your code, that opening tag HTML, opening tag head, close head tag, after that body link equals to red, A link equals to green, and V link equals to pink. H2 heading style, second heading style, link button, close H2, then opening tag A href equals to web page dot html, this is a link, close A tag, anchor tag, then close body tag and HTML tag. So output you got link button, this is a link, that is a web page. When you will click, you will get another page, that page is web page dot html. So children, this is your chapter is completed, HTML chapter is completed. Next class I am going to give you notes from this chapter. So this chapter is very important, small things are given. Study nicely, practice all the tags so that you can easily write tags in your copy. If you are not having system, then also no issue, you take textbook, you try to write code, so that is very easy to you. When in exam if you will get question, you can easily write tag for that question. Thank you.